Today I'll walk you through how to rearrange form fields in MailerLite so you can take full control of the order in which your sign-up form collects information from subscribers. If you find this helpful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. Before we dive in, it's worth knowing why field order actually matters. The sequence of fields on a form shapes how a visitor experiences it. Putting the most important or least intimidating fields first, like a first name or email address, lowers the barrier to entry and keeps completion rates high. MailerLite makes reordering incredibly simple with a drag-and-drop editor, so there's no code involved whatsoever. To get started, open MailerLite and sign into your account. Once you're on the dashboard, look to the left sidebar and click on Forms. You'll see a list of all the forms you've created. Find the one you want to edit and click on it to select it. Now you'll want to open the form editor. Click the Edit button on your selected form and give it a moment to load completely. The editor will display all the fields currently on your form, laid out in their existing order. Take a quick look at the full layout before you make any changes. It helps to have a clear picture of where everything sits before you start moving things around. Next, identify the field you want to reposition and hover your cursor over it. As you do, you'll notice a drag handle appear. It usually looks like a grid of dots or a move icon, and it'll sit on the left or top edge of the field. This handle is your key to rearranging. Click and hold it. Don't release just yet. With the field held, drag it smoothly up or down to where you want it to land. You'll see the other fields shift to make space as you move. When the field is exactly where you want it, simply release the mouse button to drop it into place. It's as immediate and intuitive as it looks. If you need to reorder additional fields, just repeat the same process. Hover, grab the handle, drag and drop until your form is arranged exactly the way you want it. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully rearranged your form fields in MailerLite, giving your sign-up form a structure that's more logical, more inviting, and more likely to get completed. If this video helped you out, leave a like and consider subscribing for more MailerLite tips. I'll see you in the next one.